everyone. This is Thalia, and I'm driving again as usual, so I have to watch the road. I like to take natural videos. Again, somebody else wrote to me about a question, the same question. I already make a video, but I'm going to make another one also about how to increase self-esteem. When I was mentoring one-on-one on the Marley School, young teenagers, I was telling them to embrace and somebody from their own nationality, people or their own family, and say, for instance, I will say, I am a child of Aristotle, of Hippocrates. I am, those are my family, and not the immediate family I have. What that does is increases your vibration, and it makes you feel proud, because they are somebody who is they teaching their work of 2,500 on the universities. Why I will not be their family? So why I want them to be my family? So they are my family. So that's how I used to increase, or maybe they were proud of someone of their family. So what that does, you block out everything else. If you grew up in a negative family and people who they put you down, actually, as a matter of fact, I was reading the other day a psychology report, which they did a report in jails, and how they ended in jails. They were asking them how they grew up, if their families was praised them, and every single one, starting from juveniles to adults in jails today, they were told when they were young kids, you know what, you are nobody, you can do anything, and you will be in jail someday. And that's exactly, that was a programming. So find somebody which inspire you, or you ancestors. I have tons of Greek ancestors I'm very proud of. So they are my family. It's not like my immediate family are not, but they have their own faults, negativities, their own stuff. So I want somebody, I don't know their stuff, I only know the good stuff. So the good stuff of Aristotle and Socrates and Hippocrates, which I teach holistic medicine, so, and I was practicing for years. So that's what I want to embrace. Find the one in your nationality, whatever, a poet writer, a reader, a doctor, a scientist. Do it, and then you're going to see the difference right away. I love you, and I hope I build up your self-esteem and you think tall for everything you do.